Welcome. If you're new to the channel, then please subscribe. Also, click on the bell icon to get notified for updates on the channel. With that being said, let's get to the video. These fastly emerging technologies will change the world forever. Progression in technology has never been this fast since we have seen its first presence in our world. With present-day computers being able to process an incredibly huge amount of data in just merely the tenth of a second, companies are currently hiring large numbers of developers to develop new groundbreaking ideas for this planet. Here are 3 of the most amazing emerging technologies that will change the world. Number 1. Artificial intelligence. The history of artificial intelligence is rather brief, yet it demonstrates that this subject has advanced significantly in the last 6 decades. Indeed, we've progressed from the first computer capable of performing basic computations to more powerful ones. Deep Blue, an IBM supercomputer that defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, was the first machine to demonstrate AI capabilities. Then there was IBM's Watson, which won a game show called Jeopardy! By giving answers in plain English. Finally, AlphaGo, a Google DeepMind AI, defeated Lee Sedol, the world champion of the game of Go, despite the fact that Go is a considerably more complex game than chess. Algorithmic advances, increasing computing power, and in recent years, data science has aided in the advancement of AI. That's why we've been hearing a lot about artificial intelligence lately. AI can be characterized as a set of theories and techniques for implementing high-level processes like perceptual learning, memory organization, and critical thinking in computer programs. In fact, the AI can be divided into 2 categories, strong AI and weak AI. The strong IA is learning-based, which means it stores new data and modifies its own behavior. In contrast to strong AI, weak AI is a computer program that simulates intelligence. As a result, AI is a very broad phrase. Number 2. 3D printing. 3D printing has been possible in recent years thanks to 3D printers. 3D printers work in the same way as 2D printers, except instead of printing ink on paper sheets, they produce objects by superimposing thin layers of materials like plastic, clay, resin, and other materials. It is possible to model objects using 3D software or a 3D scanner, and then print them using a 3D printer. With a 3D printer, the printing possibilities are virtually endless. It is basically possible to print any shape. The only limitations are the printer's size and the user's imagination. 3D printing is a growing business that promises anything from low-cost housing to affordable robust armor. Number 3. Artificial eyes. For decades, bionic eyes have been a staple of science fiction, but real-world research is finally catching up with far-sighted novelists. People with various types of vision impairment will soon be able to see again thanks to a slew of new technology. In January 2021, Israeli surgeons successfully inserted the world's first artificial cornea into a 78-year-old man who was blind on both sides. The patient was able to read and recognize family members soon after his bandages were removed. The implant also fuses naturally to human tissue and is not rejected by the recipient's body. Belgian scientists developed an artificial iris that may be fitted to smart contact lenses to correct a variety of eye impairments in 2020. Scientists are even developing wireless brain implants that do away with the need for glasses. Researchers at Australia's Monash University are conducting experiments for a system in which users wear a pair of glasses equipped with a camera. This transfers data to the implant, which lies on the surface of the brain and provides a basic sense of sight to the user. Leave a comment if you agree with us, and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on more tech-related videos like this one. If you'd like to see and learn more about tech-related videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will be uploading more interesting videos, so stay tuned. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to see you at our next video.